In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Whop app. Logging out properly is a simple but important habit, especially if you ever use a shared or public device. It helps keep your account, your purchases, and your personal information safe. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the logout process, and I'll also share a few tips along the way to make sure everything is clear. First, you'll want to start on your Whop home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing in, where you can access your memberships, products, and other features. If you're not already there, open your browser or the app and navigate to the home feed. Make sure you're logged in so that the dashboard is visible. Once you're on the home dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small profile icon. This icon usually represents your account. It might be a little avatar, your initials, or a generic user symbol. The exact look can vary, but it will always be in that top right area. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu will appear, dropping down from the top. This menu contains several account-related options. It might include things like your profile, settings, or help, depending on your account and what features are available. Now, in that menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It's typically the last item in the list, so check near the bottom of the drop-down. Once you've found it, click on Sign Out. There's usually no complicated confirmation required. As soon as you select it, Whop will log you out of your account. After clicking Sign Out, you should be redirected away from your dashboard. You might be taken to a login page or a general landing page. This is a good moment to double check that you're really logged out. Make sure you no longer see your account details or your dashboard. If you do, try refreshing the page to confirm. If you're on a shared computer or public device, it's also a good idea to close the browser tab or window once you're done. That adds an extra layer of privacy, especially in libraries, schools, or internet cafes. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out of the Whop app by going to your home dashboard, opening the profile menu in the top right corner,